In this video, we're going to focus on how to make cream cheeses using a Silverson mixer. Cream cheeses are soft, white, spreadable products which can be made in a range of different ways. For example, by fermenting cream with milk at the correct fat ratio, or by recombining powdered ingredients like skimmed milk powder or milk proteins with lactic or citric acid and adjusting the fat content. Alternatively, it may be made using a combination of hydrocolloids, lecithin, buttermilk, and whey protein concentrate. The method demonstrated here involves the incorporation of milk proteins into an emulsion. This process takes place at temperature, so typically a jacketed vessel would be required. First, we're adding water, followed by the oil. The mixer quickly blends them to form an emulsion. The next step is to add the milk powder. And once it's fully hydrated, the protein is added. The high-speed rotation of the rotor creates a powerful suction that draws the powder down from the liquid surface, quickly wetting it out. The materials are then drawn into the workhead where they are intensively mixed. Viscosity increases as mixing continues. After a short mixing cycle, the product is complete. The result, when cooled, is a smooth, creamy paste. As well as the process we've seen here, Silverson batch, inline, and powder liquid mixers can be used to create a premix of your functional ingredients, improving your existing process. It's possible to use an inline mixer as a final processing step in order to ensure full dispersion and hydration of functional ingredients, to fine-tune texture, and to improve stability and shelf life. To find out more, contact us today or visit our website at silverson.com.